Hello, everyone. Look over there. What have we found? They're eggs. Let's count how many eggs there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 eggs. They're white. What should we do with them? Why don't we paint these eggs? Oh, look, those are colors. It's time to learn how to paint. Let's play. I'll use orange for this egg. Now, dip the paintbrush into the color, then paint it on the egg. That's right, you're doing a great job. Paint it evenly all around. Add a little more orange here. Good job! Perfect! Now, let's place the orange egg over here. Next is purple. Dip the brush into the purple paint. Then paint it evenly on the egg. This side's done. I'll turn the egg around. And we'll put purple paint here. You're doing a great job. Let's continue with the other eggs. Green. Right here. Paint this spot. And paint our egg evenly. Good job! Now, let's place it over here. We still have many eggs to paint, everyone. Red! Dip the brush. Now, paint this side evenly. And this side too. Good job! This egg, we will... Use blue. Dip the brush into the blue paint and paint it evenly. Good job! You're very good. Paint carefully and evenly. Complete! Put it over here with the other eggs. Finally, yellow. And it's our last egg. Paint yellow here. You're doing a great job. And here too. Wonderful! It's done. Wow, everyone, look! We have so many colorful eggs. Let's break the eggshell. We'll use this hammer. Oh no! The egg didn't break. It's too hard. Let's try using this punch tool too. Whoa! It worked! Keep going. Almost there. Wonderful! Now it's time to squeeze and break it open. Keep watching and shout if you see anything hiding inside. Look, everyone! It's the Stegosaurus dinosaur. This dinosaur had 2 rows of long spines along its neck. They ate plants and lived in herds to protect themselves from meat-eating dinosaurs. Are you ready to open up our next surprise egg? What color is this egg? Orange! That's right! We need the hammer and punch tool again to tap hard on the egg. Let's see if it's cracked. Hooray! We broke the eggshell. Be patient, everyone. Now it's time to find the interesting things inside. Can you see anything inside this egg yet? It's hiding deep inside, right? Look, everyone! We found it! Do you know what kind of dinosaur it is? It's a Brachiosaurus, the long-necked dinosaur. Magic has appeared. Now, let's make our cutter. Let's see what color dough we'll use. Orange, the same color as the egg. Knead the dough and spread it out wide. We need to flatten the dough. place the cutter here. Wonderful! Press around it and pull away the extra dough. Lift up the cutter. Hooray! It's complete! Brachiosaurus had a very long neck to eat leaves from tall trees. Even though its body was very large, it was gentle and only ate plants. The yellow egg is the next one we need to explore. Are you ready? Let's see who's hiding behind the eggshell. Let's continue punching through the eggshell. The shell is too hard. We need to try harder. I need your help. That's right. Let's shout together, everyone. 3, 2, 1. Hooray! The eggshell's cracked. Look over there. Can you see it? It's a Spinosaurus. It has a very large sail on its back that helps control its body temperature. Spinosaurus liked living near rivers and lakes and loved catching fish to eat. Now, let's break the next egg. We still have many eggs to explore. Green is the color of the next surprise egg. Tap and pat it to break it open. Let's see what wonderful surprise is hiding inside the egg. Good job! Look, it's another dinosaur, Triceratops. This is Triceratops, with 3 big horns on its head like a brave knight. Even though it had big horns, it was very gentle and only liked eating plants. Blue is the egg we have to break open now. Do you know, eggshells help protect baby dinosaurs and provided nutrients for them. Hooray! We opened it! Now, squeeze the eggshell firmly and discover our next surprise. Have you seen our baby dinosaur yet? Oh, here's the Stegosaurus. It stood out with a large horn on its nose and a neck frill with many long spikes. We have one last egg left. Do you know what color this egg is? Purple! Correct! We need to use the punch tool. Press harder. Be patient, everyone. The egg's cracking. Use more strength to separate the egg. Hooray! We broke it open. It's an Ankylosaurus. It was famous for having a body covered with thick bony armor and a large club at the end of its tail. The tail helped it defend itself from predators. Wonderful! We have so many dinosaurs. Today, we played a very fun game. Thank you for playing with me. Goodbye and see you again.